As the axis of a pentagonal prism is parallel to both planes, so at first we have to draw side view in which we have to show a pentagon. Label the corners of the pentagon and project the projection line through these corners and draw its front view. Initially draw front view by means of a print line, because we have to locate the section plane in the front view. Then to draw the top view, take the help of the projections from side view. Transfer the base points by means of a arc in top view. Then complete the top view. Again, top view should be paint. Now locate the section plane in front view. For this, we have to locate axis. Give the corner names in front view as well as the top view. Be careful while labeling the corners in both views. Then, as we have to locate the axis, see the procedure how to locate then mark this axis, because in section plane it cuts the axis at a 10 mm from one of the base. So consider the left side of a base in front view. Mark the 10 mm distance along this axis. Now through this, draw the section plane which is inclined at a 45 degree. Give the distance of a axis point where section plane cuts. Show its angle. So the angle is of 45 degree. Now locate the cutting points where section plane cuts the base edges as well as the face edges in your front view. So the base edge AB and CD cuts the by section plane. So label these points as a 1. So these are the point 1 where the base edge AB and CD is cut by section plane. The next section plane cuts the edges, face edges A and D. So this is a point A and point E, and lastly the edge E. So point E is marked. Now shift all these points. Initially shift the point 1 in side view. Now shift this point in top view by using the compass. Arcs which are drawn passing through the point 1. So shift this in top view and locate it as a point 1. Now transfer the point A and D in top view where it will cut respective edges in top view. Then point E will cut the edge E in top view. So the 5 points we have located in top view where the sectional top view will appear. Now Now finalize the remaining portion in top view by means of a continuous thick line. Now see the edge B is partially hidden, so it should be represented by dotted line, as well as the edge C is also represented by dotted line. So edge B and C should be shown by dotted line. Then draw the hatching line to show the sectional top view. This hatching line should be equispaced, having a distance of 2 to 3 mm approximately, and all these lines should be parallel and of a uniform darkness and thickness. Now to show the true shape, we are observing at a right angle to the section plane. So draw the projection line through cutting points which we have marked in front view. If you observe sectional top view is symmetrical about the edge E, so take these benefits. Now draw x1, y1 as a new reference axis. With the help of this, we have to draw the true shape of a section. These three projection lines at a right angle to the x1, y1 are drawn, which passes through the cutting points. Now take the distance point 1 in top view and transfer on respective edges. Take the distance of a point A and point D and transfer it. Point E will lie on x1, y1. So join all these points by using scale. The outline for a true shape of a section is available. Now, as we have to represent it's a sectional view, so hatching lines should be drawn. So all hatching line is completed. Now label it as a true shape. Do the dimension as a length axis is 50 mm.